production.
Watching a Mo-Pick video production here.
Everybody falls. Anybody that says that they don't fall, they're a liar. Everybody falls. Everybody falls.
The worst though was high-siding at the gap because I came out of the turn, the rear wheel kicked out on me, and I hadn't been really riding that long then, maybe like 2 years, and I panicked and just shut the throttle, and it spit me off. I hit a tree upside down and backwards, bruised my spine, had a bad concussion. That hurt. Couldn't breathe, couldn't walk, couldn't nothing.
Whoa, we just lost one.
Talk to me, what happened, man?
I tried to do at 12 o'clock and the bar didn't hit the damn ground like it's supposed to. Just flipped over upside down, said square on the tank.
Now, it looked like that ain't the first time that happened.
Nah, that ain't the first time that happened. I ride my bike about every month.
I hit a tree, dog. I hit a tree.
What, the tree just jumped down your way?
Yeah, pretty much. That's a story, and I'm sticking to it.
You gotta watch out for the trees, dude. This is my prospect.
I was doing a wheelie, and when I came down, I was right up in the middle of a curve, and I couldn't hold on to it. I mean, this goes to show, don't be drinking and riding your bike, man. It's the worst thing you can do.
Wait, where did the curve come from?
I knew it was there, but like I said, I was drunk.
And it gets up. Man, what happened?
Came out of the hole too hard, stalled on me, so I did pop the clutch again, came straight back.
Man, is it first time this happened to you?
Yeah.
Is your first accident?
Yeah. So,
Oh, we learn from mistakes,
good
man.
head, long sleeves, helmet. Make sure you wear a helmet.
Safety first, right?
Yeah, safety first.
When that thing up on one wheel, you know, hitting it, you know, just balancing. And I guess the balance got away from me and it came back. Let it go, man. Let that shit go.
Red tags $1,500 off. White tags $2,500 off.
I fell on my ass, too.
Club those ain't wasting time to come back over help him, huh?
Now, I gotta help brother out.
Right here though, man, and you're in tune to some Mo-Pick shit. Mo-Pick do everything. Everything. Anything you want. Pornos, clubs, boxing matches, midget wrestling, whatever you want, they do it. Hey, Acid K, Mo-Pick everywhere, huh?
Nice call.
Everywhere.